Today we are introducing our newest product, the Dolphin Wrench. This wrench is a new patent and is a wrench of the future. The function of this wrench allows you to raise the shaft 15 degrees. You can see here how the design allows you to swivel the wrench easily. The shape is very elegant, like a dolphin jumping out of the sea, so we call it the Dolphin Wrench. Its open end is quite useful and quite beautiful. A normal wrench is flat and can't be raised. Our open design can be raised 15 degrees while we're using it, and our special design allows for use from here to here. And the next time, and the next time, well, you can see how smoothly it can be used. Now let's change to a normal combination wrench, which will get stuck. See? Stuck. And gaps are left here and here. So the real angle is greatly reduced. The first turn can be made completely, but the second time, no. You can try flipping the wrench back and forth, which will be quite troublesome. The Dolphin Wrench, with its 15-degree open-ended head, allows for smooth, easy, and efficient use. The space available for rotation is much better than a conventional wrench. Now, let's introduce the ring head. Part of the ring head can fit into screws, like this. If you use a composite wrench, it will get stuck. If you turn the wrench over, it can't be used at all because the angle is too small. But the Dolphin Wrench at a depth of 75 degrees allows for smooth and complete rotation. The depth of the ring head is much greater. Take a look. Now let's change to a normal wrench. When we try it, it can't be used. However, with a Dolphin Wrench, it can be used continuously, rotating without stopping, until the screw is loose. Let's introduce some of the other functions. Our customers often said that when obstacles are in the way, traditional wrenches need to be reset, that there may be slipping that could lead to a worker being injured. But with a Dolphin Wrench, the engaged screw is covered completely. The dolphin wrench has an elegant shape, and its special design allows for smooth rotation. The torque of the ring head is much stronger than the general open end. The torque of the ring head is much stronger than the general open end. So when we use it, we can hold on to the wide side and it won't hurt our hand. When it won't hurt our hand, we can exert even more torque. On the ring hand, no matter the output or locking, we can use our power. Next, we will test the torque. After testing it, there are two concave points and a bruised part on the hand. Now, changing to the dolphin wrench, we'll use the same power but with less trace of bruising and less pain as well. The dolphin wrench's output is 1.3 times that of an ordinary wrench. Today we will introduce the go-through ratchet wrench set. I'll use a display table to test the new tool. This is the newest model. 75 degrees, and it has a fixed end with a swivel ratchet head. A new go-through ratchet wrench. This is a traditional wrench handle. This one is extremely short. You can easily put your hand through this space. When we are fixing a car or any machine. If we use this 7 centimeter handle, you can put it in, but it can't be used here. This is a traditional go-through wrench. It can switch between different directions. It can be switched left and right. But it can't be used for this either. It can't be used at any angle. We have tried adding an extension rod. A normal extension rod is 7 centimeters in length. The length is about 8 centimeters after a socket is added. So it can't be used when the depth is more than 9 centimeters. You can't use it in special spaces. Today, we are introducing this, a new 75-degree rotating go-through ratchet wrench. It has a special function. It has a 75-degree fixed end. Once you add an extension rod and socket, you can use it directly, and there is plenty of space. You can also use the swivel end. Adjust the angle, and then you can use it. You can use it this way as well, turning it into this angle. Although it doesn't have a clockwise-counterclockwise switching function, we can use it either way interchangeably. It can change direction very quickly. This is not just a normal extension rod. We can use it as a handle. You can hold it this way. Press down at this end, and the wrench head will be secured. You can use it in unusual spaces. If the space is still too small, you can move the extension rod to the other end, making it into a T-rod. This is 20 centimeters in length. It's very different from the extension rods on the market. So when this space is deeper, past go-through socket sets didn't sell as well. The main reason was because they couldn't be used in many spaces. We can easily use this in a deep space. You can use it with one hand and do the job quick. And it's already opened. We are going to change direction. The space for turning is very tiny. It's even shorter than those on the market. You can turn 180 degrees very quickly. The speed is very fast. A traditional one is very slow and only works quickly when the turning angle is very small. You wouldn't improve your work efficiency that way. If you want to go faster, then use this new 75-degree go-through ratchet handle. The speed is very fast when you use it because it's turned with a hand axle. You can tighten or loosen screws very fast. You can tighten or loosen screws very fast. Aside from the ratchet head, there's a fixed end. When great torque is applied on the fixed end, for example, say a 19mm socket, or 20mm, or 21mm, or even bigger, we can use the fixed end. The torque of the fixed end is immense. It can reach 1.3 times the ANSI value. With the side rotation handle, greater force can be used in tightening and loosening. You can use the fixed end easily. An ordinary handle on the market, a standard to go through handle, only has one side handle. In contrast, our product has multiple functions. The price is similar. Ours is a new type of wrench and socket set. Our product also has other functions. This adapter can be changed to an ordinary square system, and a 1/4, 3/8, or half-size socket can be fitted. That will make it into an ordinary wrench handle, one that's not even our brand. You can adapt it and use it this way. It will still have those functions. A handle can be added. This way the force will be great. You can also use the T-rod, which is faster. This is a 1/2 inch square. You can change it to a 1/4 inch square. You can use 12-tooth or 6-tooth sockets. You can use long or short sockets to connect the T-rod functions, which can still be used. If you think it's too short, then you can add an extension rod to increase the usable space. This is our newest design, the go-through rotating wrench set.